Hi all, myself Amisha and I'm back with one of the most awaited video. Yeah, not for you guys, it's for me. I'm documenting myself cause I got invited as a napper and I'm gonna show you all what I have got from Nykaa. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the very first thing is from this H&M Beauty and they have given some samples of perfume like this. Got my hands on YSL mascara, you guys. This red tote bag from Tilted and this cute little lip balm with mirror too. And some few samples, sachet. Beauty of Jason has given this pink tote bag and the charm and some trials and sunscreen trial. Blush by House of Fur. Most prettiest thing I got. And because I was a napper, I got this cute little pouch by Nap only. And they gave this lipstick and eyeliner. Kajal from Swiss Beauty. This from Elf Cosmetic and a hat also. Eyeshadow palette. The lip oil. Mascara. We got Moxie Beauty samples, Moody sunscreen sample, hand cream, Dot & Keys, I think so, it's moisturizer, this huge tote bag. It's cute but it's too big for me. Got this bag full of little samples and a beautiful colored hat. This is also by Sam. It has so many of stickers inside of it. Lip nectar and shampoo bar from Earth Rhythm. From Bushcats shampoo. From Naked by Nykaa. Hope you guys can see it. I got these from Chills. After winning the game, I got this beautiful ever tote bag by Love ITC. This is by Swiss Beauty. Full size product by Anua. It's a cleansing oil. Sheet mask by Dr. Althea, a jewelry box, sheet mask, collagen powder and so many trial sachets from the Chick Nutrix. Cetaphil gave away exfoliating lotion cleanser, of course. Minimalist gave a cleansing oil. We actually went to the store for this bag only. Tony Moly has given the cutest package ever, like it's a toner, candle and a bow clip. Perfume samples by Nykaa Wanderlust and it smells so good. Two cute scrunchies from It Cosmetic. Toners by Pixie Beauty. Got this white chocolate candy by Snapchat. This by Mochi. I got this with this. Also, the most creative thing I did at Nykaa is creating this. I know the flowers are dropping out, but wo main fix kar lungi. But this is so cute. We did it at the booth only, and it was only for the nappers and the Pride members, and I'm one of them. Got my name. Also, we got our pictures done at K Beauty booth and this one at Pride booth. So yeah, this is all what I have got and captured. Apart from that, I missed my 5 samples because it was so much of rush, like whole Delhi was there and it was so crowded. At the end we have to be like, okay, let's leave it. I have dropped a small clip in the shorts. You can go check how was the event, and yeah, this is all. Let me know if you want any of the products, swatches or review or anything like that. Till then, bye bye, love you.